In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to save a project or task as a reusable template. This is a simple workflow that will help you standardize repeatable work, save time, and keep your team aligned. Start by creating a project or a single task with the exact structure and details you want to repeat. Think about what done right looks like. Include sections or subtasks, clear descriptions, checklists, relevant tags or labels, and any reference attachments. Add realistic placeholder text where personal details would go, and avoid putting in sensitive information. If deadlines or assignees vary each time, leave them blank or use placeholders like set due date plus 7 days or assign to project owner, so it's obvious what needs updating later. The goal is to build a model that's complete enough to guide execution, but flexible enough to adapt. When your project or task looks ready, open the three dots menu, sometimes called the More Options or Overflow menu. You'll typically find it in the top right corner of the item. This menu houses the advanced actions you won't need every day. Choose Save as Template. Your tool will create a reusable snapshot of the structure you built. Most platforms capture task names, sections, subtasks, descriptions, and fields. Some also copy attachments or rules. If you see a choice to include things like assignees or due dates, pick what makes sense for your workflow. If you're collaborating with others, double-check that nothing private is included before confirming. Give your template a clear, searchable name and add a concise description if your tool supports it. Use a naming convention that groups similar templates like client onboarding, standard, or content calendar weekly. In the description, tell future users how to apply it, what to customize after creation, and any timing guidelines. For example, after creating from this template, set the kickoff date, assign the owner, and adjust due dates. From now on, whenever you start a similar project or task, select the template during creation. Look for options like New Project, New Task, or From Template. Then choose the template you just made. Once it's created, do a quick pass to personalize it. Update the title, assign owners, set dates, and replace placeholders. This review step keeps your work accurate without rebuilding the structure each time. That's it. You've turned a one-off setup into a repeatable system. As your process improves, revisit the template, make small updates, and keep everything current. Over time, this library of templates will become one of your team's biggest time savers.